Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. My dear students, welcome back to the online classes. You have learned all the letters and their sounds. And I'm sure you all are practicing them daily. Let's repeat them. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very nice everyone. And if you want कि आपको इंग्लिश लेटर्स का सीक्वेंस याद रहे तो आप ये सॉन्ग रिपीट करते रहा करें. नाउ टेल मी, आपको उन एंट्स की स्टोरी याद है जिन्होंने ट्री पर अपना हाउस बनाया था? Let's repeat that story. First ant made its house on the top because she loved the sky and she wanted to see the birds, aeroplanes and clouds. Second and third ants made their house in the middle of the tree because they loved the grass. And the fourth ant made its house at the bottom of the tree. First ant named her house Sky House because it was on the top. Second and third ants named their house Grass House because it was in the middle. And fourth ant named its house Root House because it was in the bottom. तो जिस तरह इस स्टोरी में 4 एंट्स थी, हमारी इंग्लिश की नोटबुक पे भी 4 लाइन्स होती हैं. Just like this. Top line is called skyline. Top line is called skyline. Middle lines are called grass lines. Middle lines are called grass lines. And bottom line is called root line. Bottom line is called root line. Skyline, grass lines and root line. Sky is on the top, grass in the middle and roots at the bottom. Sky is blue, grass is green and roots are brown. So you can color your English lines in this way. और जब आप इन लाइन्स पर करेक्ट फॉर्मेशन के साथ लेटर्स लिखेंगे तो आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे that some letters are touching the top line. कुछ लेटर्स स्काई लाइन को टच कर रहे हैं. Some letters are written in the middle on the grass lines and some are touching the root line. Some letters are up in the sky, some letters are in the grass, and some are underground. Just like these birds. जिस तरह से ये birds जब sky में fly करते हैं तो लगता है कि sky को touch कर रहे हैं. और जब ये birds अपना खाना खाते हैं तो जमीन पे आ जाते हैं on the ground. इसी तरह, some letters are written in upper 3 lines and they touch the skyline. They touch the skyline. They are called sky letters. These letters are called sky letters. कुछ एनिमल्स लैंड पे रहते हैं और ये एनिमल्स ना तो स्काई को टच कर सकते हैं और ना ही जमीन के अंदर जा सकते हैं. इसी तरह these letters are written only in grass lines. ना तो ये स्काई लाइन को टच कर रहे हैं और ना ही रूट लाइन को. They don't touch the skyline and root line. They are written only in the middle 2 lines, in the grass lines. That's why these letters are called grass letters. These letters are written on the grass lines. That's why they are called grass letters. They are called grass letters. Repeat with me. Grass letters. Some animals live underground, but they came outside to have their food. Just like this. Some letters are touching the bottom line, the root line, and they are written in lower 3 lines. Lower 3 lines. These letters are touching the root line. That's why they are called root letters. They are called root letters. Now we will see sky letters कौन-कौन से letters हैं? Sky letters are written in upper 3 lines. In upper 3 lines. They touch the skyline. वो skyline को touch करते हैं. जिस तरह से birds अपना food लेने के लिए जमीन पे आते हैं, उसी तरह ये letters grass में भी जाते हैं. They are written on upper 3 lines. Now let's see which letters are sky letters. जो भी letters upper 3 lines में लिखे होंगे और sky line को touch कर रहे होंगे, they will be sky letters. Okay? We will put the sky letters in the cloud. Okay, are you ready? Let's do it. A. A. Is it a sky letter? Is it written in upper 3 lines? No, it's written in 2 lines. Is it touching the skyline? क्या ये skyline को touch कर रहा है? No, तो ये sky letter नहीं है. Now look at this. B. B is written in upper 3 lines. और ये sky line को touch भी कर रहा है. So this is a sky letter. So we will put it in the cloud. Now let's see the next letter. K. Is it a sky letter? No. D. Is it a sky letter? Yes, ये तो skyline को touch कर रहा है. Okay, तो इसको भी हम cloud में रख देते हैं. Now see this. A. Is it a sky letter? No, it's not touching the skyline. is a sky letter because ये भी skyline को touch कर रहा है. G भी skyline में नहीं आता. ये भी skyline को touch कर रहा है. E भी skyline को touch नहीं करता, so it's not a sky letter. J भी sky letter नहीं है. K भी skyline को touch कर रहा है, so this is a sky letter. L भी skyline को touch कर रहा है, so we will put it in the cloud because it's a sky letter. भी skyline को touch नहीं करता. No. 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 It's not a sky letter. R. S. T. T. Yes, it's touching the skyline. So we will put it in the cloud. V. W. X. Y. Z. अब तो skyline को कोई भी letter touch नहीं कर रहा. So these are the sky letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 letters are sky letters because they are written in upper 3 lines and they touch the skyline. That's why they are called sky letters. Sky letters. Sky letters. All these letters are written in upper 3 lines and they are touching the skyline. That's why they all are sky letters. Now let's see the written work. Ask your mama to prepare the page for you. She will make the cloud page. She will write the date, day, classwork and the question for you. And she will mark the dot. You will write letters A to Z on your notebook. Make sure you have sharpened your pencil before writing. After that, write neat and clean letters on the dots. Just like this. From A to Z. Then take any blue color और देखें कि स्काई लाइन को कौन कौन से लेटर्स टच कर रहे हैं. B. Yes, it's touching the sky line. तो आप इसको सर्कल करेंगे with a blue color. फिर आप देखें कि स्काई लाइन को कौन कौन से लेटर्स टच कर रहे हैं. Yes, it's touching the sky line. So you will circle D. इसी तरह आप सब स्काई लेटर्स सर्च करेंगे और उन्हें सर्कल करेंगे. Just like this. ये तो बहुत मजे का वर्क है. Look, you can make some clouds and write sky letters on them. Paste them on a chart paper, just like this. Now look at this activity. You will color the clouds having sky letters. अब आपने देखना है इनमें से कौन कौन से sky letters हैं. K. K. Is it a sky letter? Yes, it is a sky letter. So you will color this cloud. K. Is it a sky letter? No, ये तो middle two lines में लिखते हैं. That's why it's not a sky letter. Is it a sky letter? Yes, ये भी sky line से start होता है. That's why it is a sky letter. So you will color these two clouds just like this. It's homework time. You will write letters A to Z with correct formation in your notebooks and circle the sky letters with blue color. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह ताला आप सबको अपनी हिफ्ज़-ओ-अमान में रखे. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.